Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey, and we're back out in the shop today. We're doing a very basic one color print bandana job. It couldn't get simpler than this. It's a white bandana with a navy blue print. So let's take a look at these bandanas. All these white bandanas are pre-loaded. We're loading them one at a time down here at the loading station. And here is the navy ink. This is water-based ink getting pushed through a custom designed screen. It's in flood mode right now. The bandana is going to go through. We're going to see the print happen. There's the print. You can kind of see the design gets revealed. It's re-flooded, and it takes a second print. After that, it's ready for the next bandana. Come over here. Claudia is loading up the bandana that'll be printed later, and there is what you just saw get printed. It's a nice navy print on a white bandana. Actually, not a white bandana, those are natural colored bandanas. They're going to go through the dryer. They're going to come out the other end. And I want to show you the back of these bandanas because one of the questions we get asked a lot is, can you print both sides? So I'm going to grab a bandana, I'm going to lay it out here for you. This is the print side where we're printing, in this case, a navy print. I'm going to back it up there a little bit for you. Right, there's the print side. And when I flip it over, this is what we refer to as the soak-through side. So while we technically don't print both sides of a bandana, you can see that the print does come through a little bit. So if you're interested in custom bandanas for your business, organization, school, or event, give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey, and we're happy to help you out.